Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a specific Valorant error that many players encounter, VAN 9100, often accompanied by the message, Unsupported Virtualized Environment Detected. If you're seeing this error when trying to play Valorant, I've got you covered with these proven solutions to get you back into the game. Let's start with understanding what this error means. VAN 9100 typically appears when Valorant's Vanguard anti-cheat system detects virtualization software or settings that could potentially be used for cheating. Here's how to resolve it. First, let's check if you have any virtualization software running. Applications like VMware, VirtualBox, BlueStacks, or any other virtualization or emulation software can trigger this error. Completely close these applications from your system tray and task manager, then restart your computer. If that doesn't work, let's check your BIOS/UEFI settings. Restart your computer and enter your BIOS settings, usually by pressing Delete, F2, or F12 during boot. Look for virtualization-related settings like Intel Virtualization Technology, VTX, AMD-V, SVM mode. Make sure these are disabled as they can trigger Vanguard's detection. Save changes and exit BIOS. Now, let's check Windows features. Press Windows key +R, type Optional Features, and press Enter. In the Windows Features window, ensure that Windows Hypervisor Platform, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Sandbox, Windows Subsystem for Linux are all unchecked. Disable these features if they're enabled, then restart your computer. If you're still getting the error, let's check for any leftover virtualization components. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run text bcddit/set hypervisor launch type off. Then restart your computer. For some users, core isolation and memory integrity features can cause issues. Go to Windows Security, Device Security, Core Isolation Details, and ensure memory integrity is turned off. As a last resort, you can try a clean boot to identify conflicting software. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Restart and try launching Valorant again. I know how frustrating VAN 9100 can be when you're trying to enjoy Valorant. One of these solutions should resolve the virtualization detection issue. For most players, disabling BIOS virtualization settings or Windows features does the trick. If this guide helped you get past the VAN 9100 error and back into Valorant, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.